Hi, I'm Colby from Technology, and today I'll be going over this new device. So what is it exactly? Well, this is the Dell Interactive Touch Display. It is a projection device that takes whatever device is connected to it and projects its data onto the display as well as the built-in speakers. And combined with the PC mounted to the back, it will give you a touchable PC. And the versatility of the PC combined with the interactivity of the touch panel gives you a very powerful tool to help keep the kids engaged in the lesson. So I'm just going to go over kind of a quick overview of what you can do with this. So first off, touching it. It works like a mouse. You tap, it's basically the same thing as a mouse click. You can hold down for a second to right click, highlight your icons, drag them around. If you double tap, it's like a double click, it opens it right up. You can also use the stylus that comes with this touch display. You get a couple of these. There's nothing inside these, it's not powered, no electronics in it, so just kind of a dummy stylus that gives you a little bit more precision, which comes in handy in certain apps. So speaking of apps, let's go ahead and open one up real quick that is going to be very useful, because one thing I often hear whenever we bring this up to teachers is, well, am I going to lose my whiteboard? And really, no, you're not, because this can do everything a whiteboard can and so much more. And I'm just going to give you a good example real quick using the Windows Ink whiteboard app. So this is going to give you pretty much a blank slate, several different colors, several different sizes. Get a pencil, kind of a marker, highlighter, eraser, a lot of different things. So let's just kind of work a little problem here. You want to highlight that. Right ahead, change the color, do some spelling, really easy to use, erase all that. Alright, let's go over some other cool stuff you can do. So let's pull up Edge, and we're going to search for math worksheet, and let's pick that first one. Go ahead and open that up. Now, if you want to adjust the size of that, you can easily do that by pinching in and out, just like you would with a tablet or a cell phone. Kind of scroll around with it. One really cool feature of Edge is you can actually annotate. So I can solve these problems here directly on the board. You can also pull up an on-screen keyboard by tapping on a text field and hitting this keyboard down here, and that'll let you type things in. Now, we've also included a wireless mouse and keyboard that's going to go with this, so you don't have to use the on-screen keyboard, and you don't have to be tethered right here in the board. If there's something you would rather do in another area of the classroom, just take these with you. These will go all over the room, easy peasy. So the next part I want to go over is how you can use your mobile device as a mobile document camera using the Microsoft Office Lens app, which is a free app. And it ties directly into your Office 365 account. So we're going to take that app, which I've got open here, and we're going to snap a picture of this document. What that'll do is cut out all the extra. Hit this check mark. It'll give you the option to save it to different locations, but most importantly, your OneDrive, so you can easily access that on another device, such as your touchable computer. The next thing I want to go over is your wireless display adapter that we have included with this. So with this wireless display adapter, you can actually connect other Miracast enabled devices, such as this laptop, to this display. So first we're going to want to change the input source to the correct one. Then we'll see it's ready to connect. So now we'll hold down Windows and P on the computer you would like to connect, and connect to a wireless device. It will show your display adapter right there at the top. Click on that and it's going to connect. And this will actually show what basically shows the display from your computer on this display as well as the audio. So let's go ahead and play a little bit of this clip.
For difference and infinite difference.
The last thing I'd like to go over is how you can use AirServer, which is a software included on these teaching computers, to wirelessly connect your iPad to the display. So to do that, we're going to scroll up on here, and we're going to tap on screen mirroring. We're going to find our computer right there. You'll tap on it, and just tap off there, and as you can see, it is now mirroring. So that's a real brief overview of some of the cool things you can do with your touchable PC. It is only kind of scratching the surface. There's a whole lot you can do. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.